my name's Ariana, and me and Ryan are gonna make a volcano. Ryan can explain what a volcano is.
Deep underground there is rocks and other minerals such as gas. Volcano is like a chimney. Now that rocks start to rise, right? And then comes the dark clouds, right? Then something starts to happen. Lava and magma showed out. And then after the shoot, it starts to slip down the volcano.
Hi guys. So we're gonna do this experiment to show you what it looks like when a volcano erupts. We have baking soda, the base, and vinegar, the acid. When a base and an acid mixes together, it creates two things, salt and gas. Ryan's gonna pour this in. Now we're gonna put a few drops of dish soap.
Dish soap really is red.
Now we're gonna give it a little mix.
With on the point.
Can you give it a stir?
On the point, so.
And we're gonna pour a bit of baking soda. Look at the volcano.
Whoa. Oh. Whoa.
And that's how you make a volcano.
Look, the lava. Look at this bubbly lava. Look at this lava and that bubbly magma.
Thank you for watching our video, guys.